I'm Will. I've just finished my Bachelor of Business, majoring in Marketing and Sports Management. And I've also just finished my internship here at Fresh Marketing. Our work ranged from branding, marketing, operations, management of social media to hands-on development of in-store display pieces, a really diverse range. My experience at Fresh Marketing was a really awesome way to have hands-on experience. I've used a range of skills that I've learnt both in uni and on the job, and also network and meet a lot of industry personnel for my future career. It's really exciting to see the Bachelor of Business degree incorporate these work integrated learning opportunities, and students really get a feel of the industry before they graduate, which is an awesome thing to have up your sleeve in a really competitive workspace.